Hello, welcome to Academic School. Well, imagine you have just come home from school and now you're staring at your homework and you're feeling a bit stuck. Maybe it's tricky math problem, a confusing science question, or maybe it's an essay that you just won't understand on your own. But what if I tell you, what if you had a little help? Something that could not only give you the right answers, but also guide you step by step, making your learning easier and a lot fun. With this, I introduce you the HomeworkBuddy AI tool. Yes, HomeworkBuddy is your personal AI homework tool that can transform a simple photo of your assignment or a simple photo of your homework into detailed, grade-specific answers. So whether you're in primary school or high school, HomeworkBuddy adapts to your grade level, which ensures the solution that it should match your learning stage perfectly. Well, to access this amazing tool, all that you have to do is you have to click on this tool, which is HomeworkBuddy. Once you click on it, you're just a few prompts away. The first one being grade. So let's say that you are in 5th grade. Now here, the next one says upload homework image. Now here you have to ensure that you have already clicked the picture of your homework, and here you have to, upload it. See, either you can type it as well. Maybe my homework is this. You can either type it, or, if you are being little, lazy, or you don't want to type it out. And there are times when we have matched the following and other stuff that we can't really type. So in that case as well, this uploading image can really help you. So here, let me also upload image. I'm going to upload the image from desktop. And here, as you can see, file uploaded successfully. Now I want short answers for my question, and I'm simply going to click on generate, and I'm going to relax and wait for it to generate the answers to all the questions that I was stuck in, right? Just wait. And, also you have to, it can solve all the problems, whether, it's math or maybe geography or civics or science, any subject. You simply upload the picture, type it out, and I think within seconds, you will have complete answers to your homework ready without any delay. So as we can see, it's preparing our response, and we'll wait for it to give full-fledged response to us, right? And here we are. Oh my God. I'm impressed. So see, this was one of the questions. Question number 1 was that what are the words with silent letters, where we have T silent letter, where we have G as silent letter, where we have K as silent letter. My next question was about importance of English language. They've answered it beautifully already. I wanted a chart of parts of speech, and it has given me in the crispest way possible. And it has also answered my question number 4 and 5. Wow, I think it's impressive. Isn't it super easy? Yes? So try our HomeworkBuddy tool today at Academic School and get a tutor right by your side 24/7. Happy homeworking!